When I want to go outside, I wear my shoes. First, I take my shoes from the shoe rack. Then I sit on the chair. I wear my shoes. I wear left shoe on my left leg. And right shoe on the right leg. I wear my bag and go to school.
Very good!
When I eat my meal, I stay at the table and sit on my chair. When I eat my meal, I use a spoon. First, I pick up my spoon. Then, I dip my spoon in the bowl and take some food. Then, I put the spoon. When I chew the food, my mouth is closed. I finish the remaining. When I finish my food, I keep the spoon in the bowl. After finishing my food, I take the napkin and wipe. Great job! Brushing keeps my teeth healthy and strong. First, I grab my toothbrush. I take the toothpaste. Then I turn the tap on. Then I wash my toothbrush. I turn the great job! I twist the cap of the toothpaste to open it. I squeeze the toothpaste on the toothbrush. Great job! I brush all my teeth properly. Once I am done brushing, I spit in the sink. Then I turn the tap on again. Then I wash my toothbrush. I turn the tap off.
Perfect!